Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today I'm making an easy one-pot chicken meal that's perfect for busy weekday lunch or dinner. And this one is one of my go-to recipes for busy days when I want something wholesome and satisfying without spending too much time in kitchen. So let's get cooking. I'm using about 500 grams of chicken, washed and clean. Let's quickly marinate it with the juice of half a lemon, some salt and smoked paprika. Mix everything well and set it aside. Next, heat a pot and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and fry it for 3 minutes on one side. Now flip the chicken and cook other side for a few minutes more. Meanwhile, take 2 cups of rice, wash it thoroughly and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes while we prepare the rest of the dish. Once the chicken is slightly brown, remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add 3 bay leaves, 1 star anise and 2 cinnamon sticks. Then add 1 large chopped onions, 1 large chopped tomato. Give it a stir and let it cook until softened. For the vegetables, you can use anything you like. I'm adding 1 cup julienned carrots and 1 cup of chopped beans. Now add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground ginger garlic paste to the softened onion and tomatoes and mix well. Next, add the spices: 2 tablespoons of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Mix everything together until fragrant. Return the chicken to the pot and stir well to combine. Add salt to taste and a generous scoop of ghee, then mix. While the chicken cooks, let's prepare a quick spice infusion. Add 4 to 5 cloves, 3 to 4 green cardamoms and 3 crushed black cardamoms to a tea infuser strainer and keep it ready. Now stir the chicken once and add a splash of water and mix well. Well, I'm adding a little more water and add my veggies. Once you add all your veggies, mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Next, add 2 generous scoops of yogurt and cook for a minute. If you do not have the yogurt, you can use the curd instead of yogurt. Mix everything once, then add a few slices of beetroot followed by soaked rice. Gently mix everything once, and now it's time to add the prepared spices and 1.5 cup around water to cook rice. Cover the pot with the lid and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes or until the rice is tender and the water has been absorbed. While our rice is cooking, let's quickly make a fresh salad to complete the meal. I have some mixed lettuce and iceberg. Roughly chop them and add them to a large bowl. Next goes in some chopped cucumber, red, yellow and green bell peppers, onion and cherry tomatoes. I'm also adding a handful of green olives and black olives for extra flavor. Now let's prepare a simple and delicious dressing. In a small bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of half lemon, some freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and well-combined dressing. Pour the salad over the dressing and toss everything until evenly coated. And just like that, our fresh salad is ready. By now, our rice should be perfectly ready. Carefully remove the tea infuser containing the whole spices and gently fluff the rice with a fork. Serve hot with some fresh salad on the side, and you can also add a slice of orange or a lemon for a fresh, zesty touch. And that's it, a simple, healthy, and delicious one-pot chicken meal that's perfect for any day. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.